If Chrome notifications are constantly popping up on your Windows computer and you want to stop websites from sending those alerts, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to turn off notifications in Google Chrome on Windows step by step in a way that's quick, simple, and easy to follow. This is a great fix if you're tired of news alerts, website pop-ups, or random permission requests interrupting your work. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu, which is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and options. Click those three dots, and then from the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to appearance to site permissions. Now on the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles things like cookies, location, camera access, microphone permissions, and of course, notifications. After that, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you manage what websites are allowed to do in your browser. This is the area you want if you need to block permissions or change how websites interact with you. Next, scroll down until you find Notifications, then click it. This page controls website notification permissions, which means it determines whether sites can ask to send you alerts and pop-ups. If you've been getting too many notification requests, this is the exact place to stop them. Now you'll see the option to control notification behavior. To fully turn off Chrome notifications, select Don't allow sites to send notifications. Once you choose that setting, websites will no longer be able to send notification pop-ups through Chrome. That means no more distracting alerts appearing in the corner of your screen while you're browsing. If you want extra control, you can also review any websites that are already allowed or blocked on this same page. But for most people, selecting the block option is enough to completely disable notifications, and that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications in Google Chrome on Windows. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference if you want a cleaner, quieter browsing experience. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Windows and the Chrome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.